In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to automatically set a stop loss and take profit on Tradingview so you can manage your trades without constantly watching the screen. Start by opening Tradingview and loading your chart. Then look toward the bottom of your screen and click on the Trade button. This will open the Order panel where you can place your trade. Inside the Order panel, choose the market you want to trade. This could be stocks, Forex, or crypto. For example, you can select Bitcoin or any asset you prefer. Then decide whether you want to buy or sell based on your trade idea. Next, enter the quantity or position size you want to trade. Make sure it matches your risk tolerance and account size before moving forward. Once everything is set, click the Buy or Sell button and confirm your order. Your trade will now be active and you'll see your entry level appear on the chart. Now you can set your take profit and stop loss. After your trade is placed, click on your position on the chart and choose the take profit option. Set a price where you want to exit with a profit, then confirm it. Next, click on the stop loss option and choose a price where you want to limit your loss if the trade moves against you. This acts as your safety net. After placing both levels, you'll see them displayed on your chart as lines. You can easily adjust them by clicking and dragging to fine-tune your strategy as the market moves. Once these are set, your trade becomes automated. If the price reaches your take profit, the trade will close in profit. If it hits your stop loss, the trade will close to prevent further loss. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic stop loss and take profit on Tradingview, helping you trade more confidently while managing risk effectively.